All right, YouTube, I'm back. This video gonna be mainly about replacing the AC compressor on the box Chevy I'm working on. From start off, whenever you get your new air compressor, you want to just overlook and make sure it's the same one that you had. I took the old one back. I got a core charge off it, but on this one right here, it says the compressor is already pre-charged with 3 ounces of oil, so meaning that it already has 3 ounces of oil in it. And the QR code right here is just telling you how much to put in this compressor for this car. So I already looked it up, and it takes 8 ounces. So I got my 8-ounce bottle of 150. Also, this is what you're gonna need: the PAG 150 refrigerant oil. You can get it from any parts store. That's what it's calling for this air compressor. So if it's 8 ounces to fill this up and it's already 3 in there, you just need 5 more ounces to complete it. There's really no specific way to tell how much is from five ounces out of here, but you can look at it. If this is 8 ounces and it's about right here, you probably want to get it down to about right there, and that'll be enough. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up and then have it put on. Also, you want to make sure you pour it inside of the big hole, because the paper, it was labeled like this across this side. It said add oil here, so you want to make sure you add it in your big hole side. All right, now I got the oil in there. So what you want to do, you're gonna get your seals. So I already put this is how I want to do mine, because I don't want to put the seal on the air compressor and it falls off. You want to make sure the green is on this side and your red is on that side. All right, YouTube, so finished it up. I got everything bolted down. I'm gonna just run through a couple of things I had to do. These bolts, like you say, is 15s right here, 9/16. You have to unloosen that, and that's a 9/16. Then the bolt behind that is a 15. The plug-in was different, so I got a parts car that's that we using for parts, and luckily the parts car had the plug-in for that style compressor, so got that off. I spliced it into the correct wire. Yeah. Right now, I only got a few cans in there. I'm thinking it's not probably all the way topped off with Freon. Got like 3 cans, but or it could be that it's not trying to get too cold, so it's cutting off and cutting on. All right, YouTube, I'm back. Next day, I just went ahead and added 2 more cans of Freon, and now I got the compressor. It's staying on. It's not shutting off, and that's how it's supposed to be, until you shut it off. So I'm gonna go inside the car and feel how cold it is. And it's ice cold. I mean, it's ice cold. It's nice and cool. Yeah, nice and cold. I got everything working on my buttons, all the levers. I think it's supposed to be all the way to this side, but I got it adjusted where it just stops right here. But it's fine where it's at. Like I say, the heat and air is working. Yeah, man. And it ain't shut off yet. And it's blowing cold air. Well, that's the condensation right here. Nice and cold. No leaks nowhere. Everything working. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace.